How to temporarily deactivate your Facebook account. So first of all, open the Chrome browser, your Facebook now at this app and Chrome browser, and click on the settings option and click on the personal detail, and click on the like personal detail options, and you will see option like account ownership and control, and you will see option like deactivation or deletion options, and choose the profile, and you will see options like deactivate account and delete account. So I temporarily deactivate, so select first option and continue option here, and enter your password and continue now, and enter password and continue, and this is temporary I back, choose and continue, and read the URL and start day, and select like this choice 1 days, and continue option here, and deactivate my account option here, so tick mark and select now. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe.